Alright, let's open up this one first. Actually, open up this one first. The reason why I bought this because it's so small, USB rechargeable, and look, you can clip it onto a hat. Look how small it is. Use it for my cycling. You know, I've got quite a few of these head torches, but I've got obsession with flashlights. Whenever I see a interesting looking flashlight, I just buy it if the price is quite reasonable. So there's a strap. That's the micro USB cable it takes. Instructions. But I'm not sure that it's the right one. Because the people who say the Iraq war was an unmitigated disaster ignore what was going on in that country before. They ignore the fact that a brutal, murderous dictator had used chemical weapons against his own people, had invaded neighbouring countries, had committed genocide against the Kurdish people, and that in that invasion he was toxic. And whatever else we might say about the legacy of Iraq, for me, it's undeniable that the world is a better place without Saddam Hussein in it. And that Iraq now has the potential for a future that was simply not possible under his brutal and barbaric regime. So for me, the massive failure wasn't the decision to go into Iraq. There it is.
The aim of toppling Saddam Hussein and liberating the people of that country was wrong. Believe it or not, and I know many people would disagree, I still think that was the right decision.
First click, second click, third click, fourth click, fifth click, and off.
What would happen after Saddam Hussein had been removed.
When you hold it, it goes straight to red.
That was a massive mistake.
When you hold it from off.
I think it was that was the problem. It was what came after that was the mistake, not the decision to invade itself. And I think you can separate those things. You can lament and condemn that failure.
So that's where it clips on to the hat. And of course the strap, you slide it around there.
I would say the mistakes that we made in Iraq, undeniably.
The USB connection,
Undeniably mistakes.
they say is
Since then to such a
there.
fear, even a paranoia.
So that's where you plug in the USB
about
cable.
those mistakes being made again, that we have abrogated our responsibilities to intervene to help people since then who are in true. I separate the decision to invade from what came later, what came next in terms of the failure to properly rebuild.
So that's what it looks like, but it's charging. So when it's charging, it glows red. Let's turn this off. See, it glows red.
If we hadn't managed to stabilise the country,
Utopian dream you have of building this functioning democracy.
So there's the instructions.
Never going to materialise. Do you think it was inevitable what we saw?
In case you buy it and you want to read it, you can pause this video and check them out.
I don't think it was inevitable. It was always going to be difficult. We made it much more difficult for ourselves. So let us say that, as had been suggested by the US Army before the invasion, that 500,000 troops had gone in rather than less than a couple of 100,000. Then you would have been able to.
Alright, it's time to open up this one now.
Unless you've got public support behind you.
That is bright.
Because these are demanding.
Alright, let's get this open.
So in that sense, it made things much harder. But it's always slightly annoying. For example, when people were warning just over a year ago about what Russia might be doing in Ukraine, just I left a little about because it was something we have to learn to evaluate the situation on their merits.
So this comes with a USB, micro USB cable. There's the instructions.
Oh yeah, let's show the back of it. That's the back of it.
What you think the main legacy of Iraq is? Clearly, I think most people will think it is a negative.
700 lumens. It's quite
But
bright
also,
for
I'm aware that in
something so
defending,
small.
to some extent, the decision to go in,
There it is.
I'm not from there, and I didn't risk my life fighting out there. So I fully appreciate that many people have a very, very different view based on their personal experiences, and would love to hear from you if that is you. 03456060973, the number to call. Text 84850. Tweet at LBC. This is LBC. I've been Kentish. It's 4:15. LBC Travel, I'm Dave Goff on the North Circular. They're accused of the ill.
Oh, this is also a power bank as well, this. But I doubt it's going to charge a smartphone. Look how small this is. So you charge it from there. And I'm guessing the power bank function is in there. So that's where you plug your phone into that.
There was an obstruction on the line earlier, and there are severe delays on London Tramlink between Elmer's End and Wimbledon, and also between New Addington and West Croydon. That's because of a shortage of trams. This is LBC.
At Tesco Mobile, we know a little help goes a long way. That's why
So it's charging.
gig SIM for just £11 a month with club card pricing.
That's red, as you can see.
£36. And when you join us, you'll also get 99% UK network coverage. So the helpfulness
Magnet
is
there.
spread even
Magnet
further.
there.
This is Supermarket Mobile. To switch, pop
So that
in
comes
store or
off.
search Tesco Mobile. Every little helps. Ends 26th of March, was 12.50. Club card, 24-month contract and unlocked 4G enabled phone required. Charge in terms at Tesco Mobile.
Alright, so I've been using this for a while now, and I must say, at the moment, this is my favourite flashlight. This is my favourite flashlight because it's so small, and it clips onto my top pocket of my overalls like that. Been using it at work for a while now. Yeah, my favourite because it's just so small. I don't know. Oh, check this out. Look at that. It's got a laser as well. Look. Let me get this piece of paper and I'll show you. See that? It's got a laser, so it's quite handy when I'm at work and if I want to show someone something, use a laser. So how it works is you can change the brightness as well. You turn it on. That's the lowest setting. But if you hold it, look, see, it gets brighter. And when it blinks again, that's the highest setting. So it's going back down to the lowest setting. So I leave it as that. The lowest setting, that is bright enough for me. And it does I can't tell you how long it lasts, but it does last a while. And you've got the magnet there. See that as a magnet. Let me get some metal. I'll be back. Alright, we've got a piece of metal there.
30 million investors worldwide. 3 years of being a Which recommended provider for 6. And 4 years of being a Which recommended provider.
And you got one there as well.
We're counting on Vanguard value.
Can we count you in?
Vanguard. Value to investors. Capital at risk. Tax rules may
Oh, we've even got enough metal to hook it on.
I just sold my car.
Let's clip it on something.
I was.
Yeah, this is my favourite flashlight so far.
If you sell till we buy any car.
Well, this one, this used to be my favourite flashlight. But this is more heavier, bigger of course. A lot more expensive. But this is still a good flashlight. This one. But it's just a lot bigger, you know. I'll tell you what, this is my favourite one for a couple of years. I've been using this now. I made a previous video on this. If you look at my previous videos, of course this is a lot brighter than that. And this is the power bank as well. But the thing that makes this better is that it will charge my phone a couple of times. Yeah, as I was saying, this has got a power bank function in it, but it's not really going to fully charge a smartphone. It might charge it like halfway, because it's only a small battery. Well, I'm guessing the battery in your smartphone is going to be bigger than this. I think this is probably good for charging like really small USB stuff,
Yes, that's the sweet sound.
like little keyring flashlights and
Feel good investing.
other various smaller USB things like those little MP3 players, things like that, I guess.
Recommended by which 6 years running.
And I like this flashlight so much that I actually went and bought another one. Yeah, £10 down the market, you know, £10. Can't go wrong, so I bought another one.
A moment. Sebastian's ringing out from Stanmore though. Sebastian, you call it, welcome to the show. You want to talk about Ofsted, sir?
Bought one for home
I
use.
just wanted to mention something. I work in the sector.
Actually, I bought a couple and I gave some away
It's probably
as
doing an
gifts.
excellent job, and it's needed. There's needed some kind of supervision of schools to make sure it does the right things.
Yeah, it's cheap, man. £10, you can't go wrong. But I'm not sure how much it will cost on Amazon or one of those other websites.
Some kind of market.
Yeah, you can't go wrong for £10. I've dropped it, you know. This has had a beating. I've dropped it many times and it's still going strong.
And sometimes the rankings they get are not related to the job they're doing. It's just perhaps the neighbourhood or something like that. Yes, I think this has
But I have done a lot of mod to it because you see this, yeah. As you can see, just that twists off. But it will start to get on my nerves because every so often it would, depending on what I was doing, depending on what you're doing, it might get caught on something and it sometimes comes off. So what I did, let me try and put this here. So what I did was, I actually glued it on. I glued this one on. I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to glue it on because I don't really want it to come off. So I just got some super glue and pull it on the plastic bit in there so it doesn't move. It's like sturdy now. Yeah, I don't really want it coming off. I want it to stay where it is. Oh yeah, look, I forgot to show you. Look, it's even got, look, it's got a hook as well. Look at that. For £10, you cannot go wrong. So I walk around with this in my top pocket, my overall pocket, and everyone seems to think it's a body cam. So when they ask me, oh, so when they say to me, oh, is that a body cam? I just press the button and blind them. And my manager, actually today, my manager came up to me and said, oh, is that a body cam you're wearing there? I've done the same, I pushed that and blinded him. I guess, yeah, it does look like a body cam. It does look like one. We've got it in your top shirt pocket. Yeah, this actually is a talking piece, this, because look. So I just showed the manager at work, look, it's got a laser on it. You seem quite impressed. Well, everyone knows I love my gadgets. Gadgets like these.